Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to Technique. This is your favorite Sanit. What if I tell you that Google itself gives you a chance to learn cloud, AI, Android, web development, and also win rewards, badges, and certificates all for free? Sounds crazy, right? This is exactly what the Google Arcade program is about. In this video, I will explain what it is, how it works, who can join, benefits, rewards, and how can you get started. So let's start. The Google Arcade program is an online learning and challenge-based program organized by the Google platform for students and developers too. It helps learners gain a hands-on experience with Google technologies like cloud, machine learning, AI, data analytics, app and web development. Instead of boring theory, Google Arcade focuses on the practical labs, real tasks, and challenges, making learning fun in like a game. So why it's called arcade? The program is called arcade because it's work like game system. So you know already what is arcade. So you complete labs, earn points, unlock badges, and climb the leaderboard. Just like gaming, but you're upskilling your career. So how does Google Arcade work? Firstly, you have to register for the program when Google opens enrollment. So now for 2006, they opened the enrollment. Now we have to subscribe here. Click on the subscribe here. After then, you can see what details you have to enter like email ID. After that, next. Click on the next. Next, you will relate it to the next. You have to agree terms and conditions of all. Submit. So then that's it. Then you are registered for the event successfully. Done. Next, I will explain what it is. See. So if you are a student or aspiring developer, this program is a golden opportunity for you because you learn directly from Google, you gain practical experience, and you build a strong tech profile, all without paying money. So the final conclusion is to sum it up with Google Arcade program is one of the best free learning initiatives by Google that combines learning, practice, rewards, and career growth. If you are serious about your tech journey, this is something for you. Should do not ignore. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now, I'm going to tell how it works. Okay, a cloud that cares. So, this is one of the program. So, if you want frequently asked questions, go here and search like what you want. Okay, it will give the solution and which you want to know. So, a cloud cares. So, this is you have can add 7 arcade points. You will be added to your wallet. So click on start, then you can open that lab, you can do your work. So this arcade points 1. So see one thing, you have to do smart work. While you're doing only hard work, you can't get success, right? So here also the which program has more arcade points, which is very easy. Do that first. After that, go to the next one and do that one. Okay. So apply generative AI. So these are the skills very important for your tech career. If you are a student, BTech first year, second year, third year, fourth year, and also if you are a developer, so please ignore it. No, please don't ignore. This is very useful information. And also here can show us how many points to make redeem and what are the points to make the swags. So these all details are given here. So the 5 important steps: subscribe to Active Worker, we have already done. Join the Google Skills, you don't need an account if you are already registered. So play games to learn skills, you have to do that. Enroll in skill badges, help you to complete game tasks and get more arcade points. Redeem points at price counter. So the price counter will be open only some days, special days. So that will be intimated in this website only. So you have to make sure that you visit the website daily and do the things daily. So level 1, these programs. Level 2, these programs. So based on the levels we have programs, and also based on the levels only we have arcade points. Then you can earn points and you have to redeem the price counter. So this is what is Google Cloud's Skills Arcade. So if you have any doubts, please comment me and also subscribe. I will do the labs with live recording that make you more easier. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.